Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investment on Freedom24 is one of the most popular ways for European investors to gain exposure to 500 of the largest US companies. Instead of buying individual stocks, you can invest in an S&P 500 ETF that tracks the index and manage everything directly from the Freedom24 platform. Freedom24 offers access to thousands of ETFs, including multiple S&P 500 funds. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on Freedom25 in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, open a Freedom24 account. Okay, so you have to sign in first or sign up. So sign up if you don't already have an account, create a Freedom24 investment account. Okay, and complete identity verification, personal information, account setup. So once approved, you will gain access to Freedom24's investing platform. Okay, so after that, you have to fund your account. Okay, so click deposit or add funds, choose your preferred payments method, transfer money into your account until the funds. So you have to wait until the funds become available for investing. So as you can see here, before investing, transfer money into your Freedom24 accounts. Common funding methods include bank transfer, wire transfer, supported payment methods. So wait until your funds become available for investing. Okay, then search for an S&P 500 ETF. Okay, so as you can see here, you have to find an S&P 500 ETF, and then open the ETF page. Okay, select VUAF or another S&P 500 ETF, review the ETF information and click trade Freedom24's ETF trading guide. Instruct users to select the assets and press trade to open the order window. Okay, so then click buy, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.